Academic content has almost entirely been digitized. As a result, there is an ever-increasing need to manage this vast quantity of electronic data. Digital libraries provide a means to access a vast amount of electronic data. However, their lack of sufficient user-centered features makes finding relevant information difficult.
There is a growing demand for enhanced user services that allow researchers to perform their tasks more efficiently. The Network Digital Library of Theses and Dissertations has metadata for approximately 6 million electronic theses and dissertations, making it difficult to choose which to read. This makes the process inefficient and time-consuming.
Our objectives of this project are to determine whether these problems can be addressed with various user services to enhance the user experience of the NDLTD global search. We have identified two main objectives for this project.
This research project aims to improve global ETD search's user services to allow better research organization, find important material more efficiently, and expose users to more resources than they would be with a basic search. To accomplish this, we aim to implement two types of organization of resources.
The visualization will provide the following features: organization based on genre, search results visualized as colorful books, color and icons based on book genre, a quick and easy visual-based genre filtering system, entertaining animations and visual effects.
The user organize system will allow users to organize their research into reading lists. Private reading lists are only visible to the user, while public reading lists can be viewed by all system users. These features will allow the users to organize their research into categories and provide a recommendation feature for the resources on the digital library.
We conducted a survey to evaluate our systems. 30 UCT students were asked to perform a set of tasks on each of the systems and then answer a usefulness, ease of use, satisfaction questionnaire using a 10-point Likert answer scale.
The questionnaire is made up of 4 sections: usefulness, ease of use, ease of learning, and satisfaction. Participants were also asked several open-ended questions for qualitative analysis. The results from the survey allowed us to evaluate the success of our systems.
The results showed that organizing publications by genre was useful, and that visualizing this organization was especially useful. It was also found that the visualization provided a great user experience.
The results of the evaluation from the user organized system found that the public reading lists provide a useful recommendation feature to help users find relevant content, while the private reading lists provided an efficient method of organizing research. Any user is able to launch the system and perform a search as they can on the global ETD search. However, they need to sign in to use the enhanced services provided by the system. They are able to tag searches and perform search queries just as they could before. If a user decides to create a new profile, they can create a profile using a username of their choice and their email address from the launch screen. Now, after performing a search, the user is able to bookmark items and add items to a reading list. If a user decides to browse through a recommended reading list, they can now add items to a reading list of their own or bookmark items. If the user sees an item of interest and decides to add it to a list of their own, they are able to create a new list, name it what they would like, and decide whether to make the list public or private. Users are now free to add any more items they would like to their already existing reading list. While browsing through other recommended lists, any item of interest can be either bookmarked or added to an existing reading list. If an existing user launches the system, they are able to log in with their email address. Once logged in, the user can look through their existing bookmarks or choose to look through all the existing reading lists. From the reading list screen, they're able to edit their reading lists by deleting items or toggling a reading list between private and public.